What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can make a payment using Wise, or how to pay someone using Wise. So let's get started. Also, if you guys don't have an account with Wise already, you can use my referral link from the description below, and that way once you make 3 transactions in the amount of $250 or more, you will get $75 credited to your account. And also, you won't be charged any fees for the first $1,000 that you send or receive. And now let's continue. So to pay someone using Wise, first of course open up your Wise app. From there, go ahead and select the send option right here. Now once you're on the send menu, you would need to select the person that you would like to pay. So you can do this if they give you their Wise tag, and then you can just input the Wise tag right here and send the payment. Or you can search them by their email or phone number. So in this case, I will be using the Wise tag option. Now once you find the person that you want to send funds to, you can just input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer to them. So in this case, I would need to input $160, but of course this differs for you. From there, once you inputted your amount, just go ahead and click continue. Now you would need to select the reason of your transfer. From there, once you selected the reason, you can just go ahead and select submit. Now once you click that, this screen will load, and here you would just need to click continue to payment. And there we go, the payment has been sent. Now just go ahead and click done. And here you can see that payment in your payment history. So that's guys how you can make a payment using Wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.